emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, east central Lorain County, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grafton or 10 miles southeast of Elyria, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Medina, Parma, Cuyahoga Falls, Strongsville, Brunswick, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Macedonia, Grafton, Parma Heights, Broadview Heights, Berea, Middleburg Heights, Brecksville, Bedford, and Seven Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, Medina, and Summit.